So I'm sorry, let me start it right now. So somehow my Visual Studio doesn't work with me. So I'm going to do the part 2, and I create LineItem and Invoice class. Okay, first I do a LineItem here. I ask you to take a look one more time. The first line is toaster. 3, $29.95. And the total is $89.85. For this line here, you notice toaster $29.95 actually belong to another class in the product class. Okay, and so for this line item, your job is to know to retrieve how many things you need to buy, how many toaster you want to buy, and I'll give you the total amount. Okay, so that tells you your line item, the C class responsibility collaboration card should be collaborate with product, because line item and product has aggregation relationship. So product is inside the line item. Okay, and the line item is responsible to format the item and to get the total price. And also add the line item here. You need to know how many quantity you need, how many you want to buy. And at the line item here, I have a class. One more time. At the line item, take a look, line item. The line item here, I have a class here. Toaster $29.95. Toaster 20, I have a class here. But I need to get the quantity, how many. And the total I can calculate. You understand? So get total price, you need to calculate from the line item class. Then you also need to format your line look beautiful like this. 30 character long, left align, how many characters space, and $sign. Okay, so that's started right now. As I told you, my line item here, I private and public. So as I told you at my private here, I need the first one here. I need my first one is I have a quantity. So integer quantity. Okay. All right. So I have that. Then next I have a product. I have a product. And I'm going to call the product. All right. So in order to do that, I have to include. All right. I have to include my product.h. Okay. So once I have my product, do I spell correctly? All right. Include product.h. That's okay right now. So I include product.h. They understand product right now. So my line item, I need my quantity. I also need my product. Okay. So that's write our constructor right now. Okay. You need to learn how to write this, because you know what? It will be on your exam. I know you don't read your thing, but it will be on your exam. So my class is called line item, so my constructor will call line item. Okay, so I have integer a quantity. All right, a quantity. Now I need to have my product. My product has two things. Who can tell me? My product, first I have description. That's the name of the product. That's my description, okay? And my product also have a price. That's a price, okay? Then what happened here right now, and I am going to do my quantity myself. All right? So I get from user a quantity. Okay, so I got from user right there, the one right here. All right, do I spell right? Quantity. Too much. Quantity. Okay, so I got that right now. But I cannot do the thing for the product. I have to let product do that thing for me. So I'm going to say the product, okay. The product will be the product class right there, and they will actually handle the description and handle the price for me. All right, so that's my constructor. This is on the exam for sure. Just let you know that. And I'm going to get the total price. That's my job. Get total price. And I also need to string format. Okay. Okay. Now I have these two as my my job. Now let's write it right now. All right. So that's first. All right, let's get the total price. Get total price is easier. The total price is actually product price. Okay, so the product, remember product will give you the price. So get price. And times the quantity. That's total price. And your job is do it. All right, so for this formatting, I did not format correctly. I need you to do it, all right? So I'm going to do this because 30s place with decimal place, I did not do that yet, okay? I just do the tab, okay? So string output because I want to finish today, and so I do see output, then equal to, first I need the name of toaster, right? So say the product. And if you get description, you'll find out the name toaster come out. All right, I did not format it correctly. Okay, all I need to do, I just tap, and probably 2 tap is better. Tap, tap. Okay, I tap it. All right, then next one, what I need is the quantity. Okay, so but the quantity right now is the integer. So I have 2 string. I have to make this guy to a number first. Okay, so quantity to a string first. Quantity is a hold on, 2 string. Let me see that. It's 2 string right here. Okay, 2 string. All right, so this is come from your string library. So you have to change that. We're going to put all string together, but quantity happen is a integer. All right, so you have to put that. Then you are going to hold on, Jesus. Okay, hold on, and you want to do \t. Okay, then you also have another number, the total price. So you also need to get this right now. All right, but here I'm going to change this one to your get total price. You have it by yourself. That's the function method that's a function you order yourself. Okay, so then once you finish this and you return this output. All right, let me see right now. Let me double check. All right, so I need another one. All right, so now let me move my line number line.h here. So let's take a look here. So at your .h file, your line number, let's pull out here one more time. So much thing is didn't. All right. So let's take a look right now. Our line item. So at the line item here, you have a class inside here. That's why you have a class. Let me move a little bit here, this side for you to see. All right. So your line item has a class. It has a product. So that's why you have quantity. Your line item, you need to tell the toaster how many you need a quantity. But the toaster, the name, and the $29.95 is a product. All right. So you write like here, and then you do the constructor to initialize. To initialize the toaster and the $29.95 is not your job. It's by your product class. But inside your line item, you can do 3 times that. So you can get total price. You can format it. So once we know that, and we finish by this way, we have get total price. This is from the products. Total product gave me the price, and I times my quantity. And the format, I did not format very beautifully because I did not have $sign, and it's your job to do it. All right. So now I finished my line item. I finished my line item right now.